Today is June, I believe the 29th, 2018. I had an issue. My port wasn't peeing, the telltale, whatever they call it. Anyway, I've looked. This is an older, I believe this is a 1978 motor to 1980. It's a 50 horsepower, 500 is what it's listed at. Let you see. Bear with me. Mercury. Anyway, took it out on the water. Wife noticed it wasn't peeing, but she run fine. Had me worried. So a gentleman had the same issue where it was just barely dripping out or wasn't dripping out. Anyway, decided to take it apart. It's very tight up in here. Had to take a bracket that sits here, covers around the piston heads. Anyway, come to find out, she was peeing perfectly. You can see, let me get my flashlight. The reason I'm doing this, because man, I had a hell of a time for this older motor. Y'all just bear with me. Camera's probably not focusing. You can see it about right there. Is it dripping? Took it off, crunk it up. She's running fine. Let's see if I can get it crunked up to show you. Get a little bit of throttle. You can hear it. There we go. There we go. Take an air hose, air line. Try to blow this out. This port's probably clogged. I did blow through it, but it blew just a little bit. So again, this motor is, I believe, a 78 to an 80 model, 50 horsepower Mercury. Again, yours looks like this. 4-cylinder, has a bracket. You got 2 screws here, 2 over there. You have one up here. Take it off and you get access in here, because here's the fuel pump. So yep, she's ready for the 4th. See ya. Hope this helped you.